So, that is about product as well as transformation formula. Product formula is these four. Transformation formula these four. Just a modification of the formula, that's all, nothing else. Over, no? So let us take problems of from product as well as transformation formula now. Product and transformation formula. Yes, problems. First let me take from the product formula. Show that sine 52 degree 30 minutes cos 7 degree 30 minutes. Answer is root 3 plus root 2 by 4. Product formula sin x into cos y. Let me write the formula first. Sin x into cos y is half into is there, just see in the formula list. Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Sin 52 degree 30 minutes cos 7 degree 30 minutes equal to half into sin x is 52 degree 30 minutes plus y is 7 degree 30 minutes plus sin of 52 degree 30 minutes minus 7 degree 30 minutes. In the place of x, write 52 degree 30 minutes. In the place of y, write 7 degree 30 minutes. You get half into sin 52 plus 7, 59 plus 1 more, 60. 30 plus 30, 60 means 1 degree, 8 degree 50 to 60. Plus sin of 52 minus 7. 52 minus 7 is 45. 52 minus 7. Correct, no? 45 degree. Simplification. Half into sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Or it is half into LCM 2 root 2 root 3 into root 2 root 6 2 into 1 2 or answer is this one 2 root 2 by 4. So removing root 2 is done there. Okay. Half into root 2 is removed outside. Root 3 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 cancels. This will be the final answer. Root 3 plus root 2 divided by 2 into 2, 4. Right hand side. Once again check that one. Simplification is a little complicated. See, removing root 2 outside, cancelling root 2 with this one, and get the answer. Anyway, it is the problem from the product formula into formula. If you want, let me take one more. Find problem number second. Find cos 37.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree. Yes. Cos into cos, product formula. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Let me write the formula first. Cos x into cos y equal to half into, go back to the list of formula, cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Product formula in which it is the third one. Cos 37.5 into cos 7.5 equal to half into cos 37.5 plus 7.5 cos 37.5 minus 7.5. Write correctly. X here is 37.5, y is just 7.5. Product formula cos into cos. Half into cos of, how much it is? 37.5 plus 7.5. 37 plus 7, 44 plus this one, 45. Cos 37.5 minus 7.5 means 30. Or it is half into 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. Find the value they asked, not to show that. So, leave the answer there itself. Mostly the same answer you are getting. Yes. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half. Root 3 plus 2 divided by 4. Same answer you are getting. So anyway, using product formula, you can find the value of this. It is cos into cos, previous one sin into cos. Formula number 1 here, formula number third one there. Next, from the transformation formula, shall I write problem number 1? Product and transformation formula, no? Show that cos 156 degree plus cos 24 degree. Answer is 0. From transformation formula, go back to the formula. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. Two cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Observe the formula carefully. Write the formula carefully. Right? Next, cos 156 degree plus cos 24 degree is, C is 156, D is 24 now. 2 cos 156 plus 24 by 2. Cos 156 minus 24 by 2. Two cos 70 180 by 2 into cos 2 6 minus 4 2 5 minus 2 3 132 by 2, or it is 2 cos 90 into cos 66. But cos 90 is 0. Totally final answer will be 0. Right hand side. Just in order to apply the transformation formula, I have taken this method. Actually, you are thinking about this allied angle. Why can't we use allied angle, sir? Cos 156, cos 24. Why can't you write this one as 180 minus 24? 180 minus 24 is 156. Second quadrant, cos minus, cos remains same. Minus cos 24 plus 0. But here I want to apply only transformation formula, so I did this method. Using any one of the method, if they ask, you can do like this. Allied angle. 156 can be written like this. Second quadrant cos is negative, cos 24. This is minus plus, cancels, answer 0. Problem number second. Problem number second. Show that, same type another problem is there, see. Show that cos 140 plus cos 100 plus cos 20, answer is 0. Cos 140, cos 100, cos 20, answer once again 0. Right hand side, so left hand side equal to cos 140, cos 100, cos 20. Cos C plus cos D, same formula, see this one. Let me write the formula once again. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos. This should be written on the right hand side formula. Now let me apply the formula to these two. Cos C plus cos D. C is 140, D is 100. Equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Write that cos 20 as it is, no change. Only you are applying the formula to the first two functions. 2 cos 240 by 2, 120. Cos 40 by 2, 20. Plus cos 20 as it is. But you know the value of cos 120, allied angle. Cos 120 is cos of 180 minus 60, second quadrant cos minus cos 60 minus half. Write that particular formula correctly using allied angle. Value of cos 120 can be calculated like this. Second quadrant cos minus. Since it is 180 cos 60 you have to write, but cos 60 is half. So here 2 into minus half into cos 20 plus 1 more cos 20. 2 cancels. Minus cos 20 plus cos 20 or minus and plus 0. Same quantity with the opposite sign cancels, 0. See the problem correctly, clearly. Over. Next problem, see. Show that cos 7x plus cos 3x divided by cos 6x plus cos 2x. Answer is cos 5x by cos 4x. Left hand side equal to cos 7x plus cos 3x by cos 6x plus cos 2x. Cos c plus cos d numerator 2. No, I want to write the formula always. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Write always the formula on the right hand side. 2 cos 7x plus 3x by 2 cos 7x minus 3x by 2. Same formula once again. 2 cos 6x plus 2x by 2 cos 6x minus 2x by 2. These two can be cancelled. Cos 7 plus 3, 10x by 2, 5x. Cos 7 minus 3, 4, 4x by 2, 2x. Cos 8x by 2. Cos 4x by 2. Cos 2x, cos 2x cancels. Remember, don't cancel x. X cancel. Then c cancel, o cancels. Don't do like that. It is entire one function, cos 5x. Here up to same function. This is another. Since the second function is the same, I have cancelled it. Right. Final answer will be cos 5x on the numerator, cos 4x in the denominator, which is the required answer, right hand side. Over. Clear now? Once again do separately, independently the same problems with the list of formula along with you. Work out all the problems once again. Only plus I have taken, let us take minus now. What is the answer you get? Problem number 4. Show that cos 8x minus cos 6x by cos 9x minus cos 5x. Answer half secant x. Left hand side equal to left hand side equal to cos 8x minus cos 6x divided by cos 9x minus cos 5x. Apply the formula. Let me write here. Cos C minus cos D both to the numerator and denominator. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Go back to the list of formula. Cos minus cos, we have negative sign in the formula. So numerator is minus 2 sin 8x plus 6x by 2 sin 8x minus 6x by 2. Denominator minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 sin 9x minus 5x by 2. Correct, no? Same formula is applied both to the numerator and denominator. Here also you can cancel minus 2. So it is sin 8 plus 6, 14 by 2. 7x into sin 8 minus 6, 2x by 2, x divided by sin 9, 7, 5, 14x by 2, 7x again. Sin 9 minus 5, 4, 4x by 2x. Correct, no? Sin 7x, sin 7x cancels. You have numerator sin x, denominator sin 2x. Again, by confusion, don't cancel sin x or anything. But you have the formula multiple angle sin 2x, sin 2 theta. It is sin x divided by 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Whenever you are using the formula, just write on the right hand side. Over, no? Cancelling sin x from both numerator and denominator. Cancelling sin x. You get 1 by 2 denominator, 1 by cos x, or 1 by 2 secant x. 1 by cos is secant. See the problems correctly, clearly. over. Next problem.